Good morning, everyone. This is Suresh for Zebu and Zebu School. Welcome, everyone, for today's live market update. Um, Today was totally a muted day when compared to what has happened yesterday. Yesterday was a V-shaped day. Market fell very hard, and people expected it to settle other place and then or fall further because of what's happening in the international markets and Japanese yen. Bank having made a decision, that decision to increase the interest rates. So we were expecting that to happen, but there was a V-shaped recovery in the market. So a lot of strategies, trading strategies failed yesterday. And in case you had a strategy that didn't lose you much or made you money, then it is a very good strategy. So keep working on it and try to make fine tune it and make it better. That would be a very good strategy to begin with. Okay. So what's happening today in the market? Yesterday there was a range, the market range Nifty. In Nifty it is about 220 points between the high and low. Today it is somewhere around 100 points or so. But market opened high, kept on going high for a while, and then market started correcting from then on. What had happened? I mean, it is presently close to 18,385 and low is 13,363. So market is trading with a downward bias because of a lot of things, negativity that is hanging all over the world, particularly in US markets and Japanese Reserve Bank increasing the rates. So that will stop the yen carry trade and then probably will suck up the liquidity from the markets and probably the investors would flock towards uh, less risky products such as FDs and government bonds and such, which will yield better risk reward when compared to the stock. So in short term, market might correct because of this move and similar other moves that's the other overhands that is happening in the market. So the similar thing that is happening in the bank nifty as well. Market again opened higher and then is trading little on the lower side. VIX, what is happening with the VIX? VIX was as low as let's see the VIX. VIX was it is at 14 now. Earlier it went as low as 12.4 for a short while, and some time back it was 11 and a half. Now it is back to 14 point, it's around 13.97, that is so close to 14. So even now the VIX is not truly reflected. There is a sense we get when we talk to the traders. They say that VIX is not truly reflective of the volatility that is seen in the markets in the last couple of days. The volatility is very high, but it is not captured in the VIX yet. So if we have some strategies which are relying on the VIX, then be very cautious on this. So as we said, it is a sell on rise market, and that being the case, so the open interest, there is a high open interest for 18,500 and then of course 18,600 on the call side and 18,300 for the put side. So market tomorrow being the expiry, market is expected to close somewhere between that, and max pain theory also suggests that somewhere around 18,350 is where the maximum pain will be felt by most of the investors. So market is likely to close somewhere in the range between 18,300 to 500. We will have a one more update for market closing. Then we'll come to know tomorrow. We will come to know where it is more likely to close based on the max pain theory. And how about the IT stocks? What is happening with the IT stocks? If you were to look at the sectoral indices, uh, some sectors are done really well. The sector that has done very, very badly is IT sector, which has fallen by about 26 percentage in the market cap terms. So 26 percentage. So one thing is we can expect there are two schools of thought on that. So one is that buy, since it has fallen in a big way, buy it now, probably it will recover in the quarter or so, or probably even a year. And those who are loggers during this time, might do well in the future. So that is one school of thought. Other school of thought is that when compared to the IT companies in other countries, listed companies in other countries, our companies, IT companies are still overvalued when terms of P and PEG. So that's the reason allow the market to fall even further and then start buying selective stocks. And there is one more way to play this IT stocks is that by ITBs, we keep investing small amounts every now and then based on your risk tolerance. Keep buying that because 26% already has fallen. Even if it is to fall further, and keep on adding it. And also selective stocks, if it is a mid-cap stock, IT stock, which is reasonably valued, then please go ahead and do that. If not, uh, as usual, blue chip IT stocks, you know what it is, so keep buying that. That is the thing. So, what is likely to happen for the IT stocks, as the title suggests? One, world over, people are cutting down because there is a recessionary fear. So all the big projects that's been awarded is being scaled down. People are being let go. We would have heard the news about Meta cutting down on the people and then cutting down on the employee strength and then Twitter, Amazon, so many other companies, frontline uh, big e-com companies, software companies, all these companies are cutting down on this thing because they see a pain in the future. So the IT projects which is awarded to the companies, other companies, IT services company, including the Indian companies, are likely to be affected big way because of this. So there is going to be short-term pain. Probably it will fall even a couple of odd percentage to 20% from here on itself. But every now and then, when you find money, or if you are going to do a bulk purchase, we suggest not to because we don't know how it's going to work out. If you are thinking of a long term, I mean, if you have a long term horizon, this will be a good entry point to IT stocks if you haven't have these kind of IT stocks in your portfolio already. If you already have, wait for the market to fall down further, average it down. Uh, Many IT services company are going to be entering into the value territory soon enough. So add them when you can and reap the rewards in the future days to come. If you want to know about technical, how the market is going to behave based on the technicals or the fundamental analysis, do consult with your financial advisor or call your relationship manager. We'll be able to put you to some financial advisor who will be able to guide you on your uh, market on what is expected for the market as well as for the IT stocks. This is Suresh Kumar signing off for Zebu and Zebu School. Keep the comments coming. We will try to answer that in the evening session. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a profitable trading day. Thank you.